In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram chat not opening problem or Instagram message not open problem. For fixing this problem, go to Play Store, search Instagram, tap on it, update your Instagram app if available any update version. Then go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on force stop, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, then delete. Now click on permission, allow all permission one by one. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. Then allow. Now click on message icon. Now tap on it. You can see that message icon is open. Now I hope that this method fix Instagram chat not opening or Instagram message not open problem. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.